Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So to do that, we should get the application from the Play Store, because unfortunately we have now installed by default the AID feature in our Motorola device. That's why first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app and click drop over apps. After that, find here the Muviz Edge application, and to activate the switcher, click here on the once. After that, just let's go back to the app. Here click to the IOD and select one from this available tabs, for example this one. Click here done to apply, and now let's just lock the device. And now you can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.